What's up, guys? This is 410 Autotech. This is going to be my first tool giveaway for you guys that are all my subscribers, that you guys are awesome. I just want to give something back to you guys for allowing me and watching my videos. So we're going to get into this video. It's going to be a Cornwell giveaway. Alright guys, so this is the Cornwell Tools Blue Power 44-piece bit set with a ratcheting driver. It's brand new. As you can see, it's sealed still. And I told you that I was going to be giving away something that I use personally almost every day, or as much as I can. So here you go. So like I said, I'm going to give you something that I use all the time, that I trust, and bam, two of them, as you can see, is used. Alright, so it comes with this little ratcheting, and then you can put all these little bits, individual bits. I usually, put Torx bits for certain applications, and they works awesome. It gives you that little like in between if you need it, you're in a tight space or anything. And the cool thing about this is if you need a little bit more space, it gives you this little piece where you can put in here, and then add it on there. It has like a little chuck piece right there that releases it. It gives you that little bit added space or whatever you need. Another sweet thing about this thing and why I bought it for myself, and that's why I'm giving it to you guys as a giveaway, is because you can put this adapter piece and just say if you have some sockets, now you got another ratchet. And it's pretty fine tooth, you can hear it. So that's why I love it, and it's got the little ball bearing in there as well. So that's an awesome piece. Got it off the Cornwell truck. You can probably get it off somewhere else. But it's an awesome kit. That's why I want to give it away as my first giveaway, because I use it all the time, and it's something that is convenient, small. You can put it on the go. I always have, sometimes in my top drawer of my roll around, and it's good. It's got a good case on it. It's solid. This is glass, so you can see. Make sure if someone borrows it or you lose it, you know which one is there. And it has pretty much every piece you need. Your tamper-proof Torx. You got your Phillips right here. You got your flat heads, and like I said, your adapters and your hex heads. All the sizes you need. This is an awesome set for beginner, or if you've been in the game for a while. I guess it's 72 tooth ratchet, provides 5-degree handle swing. Bits made of S2 steel for durability. And then, like, here is all the pieces that come in there. Part number right there, CBS44STA. But on top of giving this away, I'm going to give the winner the Streamlight Stylus Pro, 100 lumens, comes with batteries, AAA, so you already set. Comes with this little pouch, Cornwell branded. Comes with a little pouch you can put around your belt, and it's awesome, sweet. I want to give away this because if you're in a dark area, now you have a light for it. So you guys are awesome that you guys always comment, and you guys are subscribed. I just want to give something back to you guys for always helping me out. It's something I love to do, and you guys are always giving me positive feedback and stuff like that. So I'm giving away that Streamlight Stylus Pro, and then the bit set with the handle and everything as well. So there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Quick little demonstration of the giveaway. And like I said, rule number 1, you got to be subscribed to my channel. I will check. Rule 2, you got to like. Rule 3, drop a comment, and then I'll pick a random winner and then do another video and announce a winner at the end. So that's just something I want to give out to you guys, because you guys follow me, and this is what I love to do, and I love to help other guys out at the same time. So this is going to be 410 Autotech out.